Hello all. Hey, we're going to look at the gun that you can buy off of Wish, which is a high volume, low pressure spray gun with multiple tips. And thought I would do a unboxing. I've not unboxed this yet, but this is what you get off of Wish in the mail. It's the box. All right, inside. Open it up. Let's see what we got in here. All right, got some packing. Looks like some masks. Got a tool, cleaning kit, filters in there. All right, let's see. Here's your tips. Let's see what this is. There's the 2.0 and the 1.7. So there's your tips and your needle. All right, more packing. Looks like we got the reservoir. Got some instructions. And let's see, looks like we have the gun itself. Yeah. See about getting this out. Looks pretty good. Good feel. Not bad. So it looks like everything that we get. So it looks like a mask, the gun, the container for the gravity feed, all the tools, cleaning kit, 2 tips, a breakdown of how the gun's operated, and parts. All right, there we go.